Greetings of the day. My name is Pragati Raval and I will be explaining the topic factors affecting elasticity of demand. So let us begin. So the contents of my presentation for this topic are: first, there's an introduction. What is elasticity of demand? Nature of commodity, availability of substitutes, income level, level of price, postponement of consumption, number of uses, and the time period. So, elasticity of demand refers to the percentage change in demand for a commodity with respect to percentage change in any of the factors affecting demand for that commodity. Elasticity of demand can be calculated through the mathematical formula of percentage change in demand for X upon percentage change in a factor affecting the demand for X. Nature of commodity. Essential goods like salt and medicines have inelastic demand as people buy them regardless of their price. Luxury items such as perfumes have elastic demand since people can forego them. For example, a rise in salt prices won't significantly affect its demand, but a similar rise in perfume prices might lead to decreased demand for perfumes. Next factor affecting elasticity of demand of a product is availability of substitutes. Goods with many substitutes have elastic demand because consumers can easily switch. For instance, if Pepsi becomes expensive, consumers may opt for Coca-Cola. On the other hand, goods with no close substitutes like electricity have inelastic demand. Next factor affecting elasticity of demand is the income level of the consumer. High income consumers are less sensitive to price changes, making demand inelastic for them. Conversely, low income groups exhibit more elastic demand. For example, a price hike in the branded cereals might deter low income buyers, but not the affluent ones. Next factor affecting elasticity of demand is level of price. Expensive items like luxury cars exhibit elastic demand since a price increase can lead to a significant drop in buyers. Conversely, cheaper items like matchboxes have inelastic demand because they form an almost negligible part of expenditure of the consumer. Postponement of consumption. If consumption can be delayed, demand is elastic. For instance, if prices rise, buyers may wait for a price drop. However, urgent goods like fuel or medicines have inelastic demand, as consumption cannot be postponed. Number of uses of the product. Goods with multiple uses like milk have elastic demand since users may reduce consumption for less essential uses when prices rise. Conversely, single use items like medicines have inelastic demand. Time period. The time period affects elasticity of demand as consumers need time to adjust to price changes. In the short run, demand is less elastic because substitutes or alternatives may not be readily available. Over time, demand becomes more elastic as consumers find substitutes for the product. For example, if fuel prices rise, immediate demand is inelastic, but it becomes elastic as people choose to switch to the public transport. Thank you for watching this video.